The TikTok Shop affiliate program is dying, or at least that's the way that it feels. So in today's video, I want to address this problem. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm an 8-figure entrepreneur. And in today's video, we're going to unpack that question of, is the affiliate program dead? I've been seeing this time and time again as I'm scrolling, especially on the TikTok. I see all these creators posting, oh, commissions are down, or oh, this is not working, and oh, TikTok is this, and oh, I can't make any money, and oh, this is impossible. And so as I started seeing these common posts over and over again, I was like, okay, let's take a deep dive and let's actually analyze this and see if it's true, because maybe they have a point, maybe they don't. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I appreciate you guys walking. We talk about everything making money online via TikTok, Amazon, you name it. I got you covered in this channel. So with that being said, let's jump into my screen and I'm going to share with you guys some shocking numbers on that question. Is the affiliate program dead? So right here, this is a tool that I love and use and recommend. If you come to the creator tab, you come to all creators, we can look at the top creators on TikTok. So these are TikTok Shop affiliate creators. These are not brands. These are people promoting other people's products. You can see this dude Deals in the last 30 days has done over $1 million in revenue. Let's just say on average, he made 10%, which probably he made 12 to 15, but let's say 10%. This guy just made $100,000 in one single month promoting products on TikTok. And Jordan made $819,000. 720, 721. And yes, it slowly goes down, but $500,000 in revenue in one single month on TikTok, and people are saying it's dead? I don't buy it. Now, yes, these are the top creators, but what is it for like the average person? And that's what I do want to dive into. So from the big picture, we obviously know it's not dead because there are creators making a lot of money. I mean, 6 figures a month in pure profit, which is insane. They're making over $1 million a year promoting other people's products from the comfort of their home through, in my opinion, one of the greatest business opportunities that I've ever seen. So yes, I am very pro TikTok Shop. I've been doing it for a year. My first year, I did over 6 figures. And that was very, very part-time. And in the last 3 months, I've done over $60,000. And yes, I might not be making the $1,000 to $3,000 per day like I was during Q4 at the beginning of the year, but I'm still making anywhere from $200 to $400 a day right now. So the opportunity is still live and well. And yes, I might not be making as much as I was, but that's just the nature of e-com in general. And for those that are joining TikTok, they don't have the business background that I have had for the last 8 years. So my background is selling products. So I sell on Amazon, I sell on Shopify, I also sell on TikTok. And what people don't realize is there are seasons to e-commerce. There are times where there's lulls, it's a little bit slower, which is Q1, and that's where we're at. And then Q4, things are booming. And we just had that. So we come from the highs of the highs to the lows of the lows. And that's when people are like, oh, it's dead, it doesn't work, and they freak out. So that's kind of what's happening right now, is people were just making an insane amount of money. And now it just went down a little bit, which in my opinion, I'm still making a ridiculous amount of money by working less than 30 minutes a day. To make over 5 figures profit per month with less than 30 minutes a day, that's insane. So I do want to just be clear about that. But now let's talk into the reality of the 3 things that people are doing to not get the results that they want and why people are saying it's dead. And there's 3 main things. It's picking the right product, making a good video, and consistency. It's those 3 things. So let's unpack each individual one right now. The first is picking the right product. So if you guys are picking bad products, or in other words, picking products where there are 10,000 other creators promoting a product, well, the chances of you succeeding are very unlikely. And I am seeing this across the board. A lot of people on TikTok, other gurus, they're talking and they're like, oh, promote this product, promote this product. For example, the Goli gummies. There's 16,000 affiliates that are promoting these Goli gummies. And I'll show you guys right here. If we come over here to Calodata, this is one of my favorite software tools. Absolutely love this. And we can come over here to just kind of like the top products. And if we come over here, you can see the creator numbers. You can see that some of these products have 3,000, 4,000, these Goli gummies, 4,000 creators. And people are saying, oh, promote this product. And yes, it can be good, but again, you're competing against 4,000 other creators. So in my opinion, that's not the best product to go after. Instead, come over here and come for the top new products And you can find top new products that are doing good numbers where there's only 9 creators, 2 creators, 4 creators, and I mean the list goes on. So that's what you want to be looking for, is the up and coming products that aren't crazy saturated. Now, I'm not saying that you can't make money by promoting the Goli gummies, which you obviously can. People are making. But for the average beginner, for the new person that has no experience, trying to compete against 4 to 10,000 other creators, it's very difficult. So that's the first thing, is you need to pick the right products. I actually have a full tutorial where I show you guys how to use Calodata. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll also include a coupon code if you guys want to access Calodata, because I really believe that having this is going to give you an upper hand, and it's going to give you so much. It's going to open up your eyes, and it's going to allow you to pick the right products to set yourself up for success, so that you aren't in the comments, or your guys are not making videos of, oh, TikTok is dead, or oh, it doesn't work. We need to pick the right product first. So that's the first thing that people just do flat out wrong. The second thing is the video itself. I hate to break it to people, but sometimes I watch their videos and I'm like, they suck. And yes, I say it bluntly, and you don't need to get offended by that. You just need to take that internally and be like, you know what? They do suck, and I do need to improve. So let's improve it. So instead of you saying, oh, he said this, or, oh, somebody says my videos suck, or, oh, I'm not getting the results that I want. Well, maybe it's because your videos suck, and that's totally fine. And that's okay. Just learn from it. And the easiest way to learn is, again, you use the tool Calodata. You come over here to creator, you come to the top creators. So you can come right here and you can find the top creators. You can come to all creators, emerging creators. We'll come to the top video creators right here. And then what I like to do is the account type. I like to find independent, so I don't want to find any sellers. And this is where you're going to find, again, some of the top creators on TikTok. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow these top creators. So if these creators are making $800, $600, $500,000 every single month, well, then go follow them and see what they're doing. What type of video content are they doing? What are they doing different from what you're doing? And I promise, if you go and follow the top creators, you'll be like, oh, my videos suck, or, oh, yes, there's a lot to learn from. So that's the easiest way, is to just go find what other top creators are doing, and then take their style and then make it your own. Obviously, don't be a carbon copy of Jordan. Don't be a carbon copy of Lexi right here. You have to be your own person, but you can generate and get ideas from these individuals. The next thing is, again, if we come over here to the products tab, and if you find a hot product on Calodata, you can come over here and you can hover over the highest revenue videos. So you can literally see, okay, this is a good product. Well, what video is generating the most revenue for this particular product? You hover over it and you're like, okay, I can do what this girl is doing. And you make a video similar to that. So finding the right product and making a good video, they go hand in hand. So you got to find this good product, but then if you have a bad video, well, then the product, it doesn't matter. And vice versa. If you have a good video, but then a bad product, it's not going to flow. So you need to do them both together. And again, Calodata is going to allow you to find the top creators. It's going to find you the highest revenue videos. It's going to find you the products where you don't have a ton of competing creator numbers. And again, just a little golden nugget for you guys. You can come right here, come to creator number, and you can say, hey, I just want to find products that fit between 10 to 50. And boom, just like that, you can find a ton of products where they are booming, they're crushing it, and the affiliate number is, again, from 10 to 50. So instead of competing against 3,000, 4,000 affiliates, you can compete against 10 to 50. And so here we go right here. As you can see, the creator numbers are extremely low, 14, 39, 23. They're doing $200,000, $300,000 in revenue per month. And if there's only 14 creators, that market is wide open. So is that starting to make sense a little bit? Because as soon as that does click, and as soon as you understand finding the right product and having a good video, that's where you're going to get the results that you want. And you won't say TikTok affiliate is dead, because that's just not true. Now, jumping into the third thing, consistency. This is one of the biggest things that I see, is a lot of people get into it. They start making a ton of videos, or they make one or two and they don't get the results. And so they're like, oh, I didn't make any money. It doesn't work. It's dead. And I hate to break it to you, that is not how business works. Again, you have to find good products. And a lot of times the new affiliates are not finding the right products. And then the second thing is the videos are not good. And in order for your videos to be good, you have to be doing it for months or even years. I've been creating content for 8+ years. And so, yes, I do have an advantage compared to the average person just getting involved, but that doesn't mean it's dead. It just means I have a skill set that you don't, and you need to develop that skill set. And the way that you do is by putting in the reps. And again, learning from top creators, watching videos just like this, joining amazing community groups, which, just shameless plug, we do have an amazing community group on Skool. It's the #1 in the world. You guys can check it out in the description, and yes, sign up if you guys want to. But by learning these things, that's where you do develop these skill sets. And then again, that third thing, being consistent long enough to where you actually do see the results. And I just see too many people giving up or just not putting in the work. They think that 1 or 2 videos is going to make them $1 million, and it's just not. And I want to go show you guys a real life example of an amazing student who is in our community who has gone through those 3 things. Again, finding the right products, making good videos, and being consistent with it. And in his case, he saw results very, very quick. And it can happen. Again, if you have the first 2, the right product and the right video, the results do come a lot faster. And again, most of the people forget the first 2 steps, and that's why they're not getting the results. So let's come over here to my friend Justin. He is in our Skool community group. And right here, you can see he shared a win and he said, made my first dollar on TikTok. I just got an account yesterday. I posted 2 videos, and within 30 minutes, I got 400 views and generated my first dollar. Now, is $1 anything to brag about? No, but it showed him proof of concept, and it got him excited, and it got him knowing, hey, this is possible. I can do this. And making that first dollar is going to make you realize, hey, TikTok is not dead. And as you saw right here, he got his account yesterday. And what he meant by that is we actually help people get verified and unlocked affiliate accounts that are started from scratch. So if you are not approved for the affiliate program, we can help you with that. And those are things that we do help inside of our group. So I do want to, again, throw that out there. Again, shameless plug. If you guys don't want to join, that's totally fine. I'm just giving you guys this information because what is in front of your feet with the affiliate program is a massive opportunity. So Justin made his first dollar, 2 videos, $1. Again, nothing to brag about, but things continue to get better as he continues to be consistent and follow the picking the right product and good videos. It says, when it rains, it pours. Stay consistent. Again, exactly what I just said. Yesterday was my best day, getting $78 in commissions. It's 8 a.m. I've already done $85. At 8 a.m., he made $85. And this is 1 week in. So the first day, people that make $1, they're like, oh, $1 is going to do nothing. It's dead. It doesn't work. Well, he stayed consistent. 1 week later, in one single day, by 8 a.m., so basically when he was sleeping, he woke up and made $85. And wait, it gets better. Justin, my second week, again, he's sharing this, and this is what I love about our community, and it's just so fun to see. He says, so awesome, I just generated $650 in profit in 1 week, working less than 10 hours total. In his second week, almost is making now $100 a day, which is just mind-blowing. And he did it in less than 10 hours. And so again, when I say be consistent and be disciplined and continue to post, I'm not telling you to spend hundreds of hours. We have systems in place where you can film and get a lot done in less than 30 minutes. And again, like I said in the very beginning, my entire affiliate business, I made 6 figures this last year, and I work no more than 30 minutes every single day on TikTok Shop affiliates. Yet I'm getting crazy results, 5 figures in profit per month. And Justin, same thing. This is his second week, $700. Now it gets even better. Beating my personal single day commission record. So today's total so far, and he posted this and it actually ramped up past $209, but he got over $209 in 1 single day, 2 weeks into TikTok affiliate. His goal was to make $100 a day, and then now he's on track to do over 1,000 in his second week. Again, this is just realistic expectations. I'm not telling you that you're going to go make a video and all of a sudden be making $1 million a month, but you can go be like Justin and make your first dollar after a couple videos. And then if you stick with it, if you stay consistent, you can make $85 in a day. Then you can make $100, and then you can make $200 in a day. Like $200 per day is life-changing. That is more than what most people will make at a 9-to-5 job. And you're doing this from the comfort of your home, making silly TikTok videos. So the potential and the opportunity at your feet is unbelievable. You just need to go take advantage of it. So that is my overview of the thought of, is TikTok dead? The answer is no. People are making a lot of money, but people do mix things up and mess things up. Those three things, they don't do it. Therefore, they struggle. They don't get the results. But then people like Justin who follow, again, our proven formula that we know works because I've done it and we've helped thousands of students. We have over 4,000 members in our group. We've done this over and over and over again. We have that blueprint laid out for you. So again, if you guys want to join, I'll put the link down below. But this is just a testament to show how big of an opportunity it is. And I want you guys to take advantage of it. So make sure to check out the links in the description. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. I look forward to hearing you guys crush it with TikTok because again, there's so much opportunity. You just need to grab the bull by the horns and take advantage of it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.